Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Netflix app. So first, you have to tap your profile on the top right, and then you can, if you go to account, it says if you're looking for your settings, you have to go to web. But if you only want to change your name, so you can just go there and then you press on which account is yours, and then you can just tap on your name and then erase the previous name and then change to what you want your name to be. And then once you're done, on the top right you just have to press save, and then now you see that your name is already changed. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.